Hey, this is Mike, and I just wanted to take a look at ARK Invest, the ARK latest holdings. So, as you probably know, ARK Invest is an actively managed ETF, and they're known for being one of the biggest holders of Tesla and some other big companies. But I want to take a look at what their biggest holdings are and also any new additions that they have. So, as per usual, their biggest holding is Tesla. They still have 10% of Tesla. It also looks like they've increased their holdings in Roku. It's now up to 5.84%. And also Zillow, they still have a pretty big position in Zillow. It's still in their top 10. Some other notable investments, they have Spotify. They currently have at 2.6%. They have 225 million worth of Spotify. I know they also have Pinterest. Yeah, they have Pinterest. That's a company I'm really interested in the fourth quarter. So you should definitely take a look at Pinterest if ARK is investing in them. Let's look a little lower. They do have Zoom. Zoom is still holding steady. They have about a little over 100 million in Zoom. And I'm looking down here, and one interesting investment I'm looking at here is Xilinx here, XLNX, and it has moved up recently. This looks like it's a new position, or if they increased this position, but it's a semiconductor company, and it's had like this almost V-shaped move now in the past 5 days. If you look out in the past 6 months, it's kind of had a rocky chart here, but I think there's definitely some potential here because it looks like ARK Invest is just putting in its position here, and I'll keep you updated if they increase this position because I definitely think they have on the ARK 43 million invested in it, but I think there's some potential for this one to move here. Now, also note that they did lighten up a little bit on Facebook. I know Facebook is going to be facing some congressional hearings and probably some antitrust hearings. Facebook, I think, will have great earnings in the fourth quarter because there's going to be a lot of advertising done on their platform. But I would not be surprised if the ARK ETF lightens more on Facebook just because of that antitrust risk. However, I would say if you're looking for an individual stock to play off of ARK Invest, I definitely would say take a look at Xilinx, especially with the great price action they had on Friday. Take a look at if it continues to rise higher. The 52-week high is at 123.78, so it's about 6% away from its 52-week high. And I'm just going to look at the year to date. Yeah, you know, it probably has some potential here. So I definitely would take a look at Xilinx. The ticker symbols XL and K. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like the video and go ahead and subscribe. I do multiple updates each day on hot stocks and the stock market. Okay, thank you. Bye.